Hi, this is a Pranayama video for Nadi Shodhana. So Nadi means channel and Shodhana means purify. And so this technique of Pranayama is great for purifying all 72,000 nadis in the body. So great for balancing the entire energetic body and chakra system as a whole. There's a technique to it which is quite confusing when you first learn it, but it just comes with practice. So the way that you would do it is to leave your left hand on your left knee and the right hand comes up kind of like a shaka. And so you use your thumb, but instead of a shaka, you're using your ring finger as well. And so with these two fingers, your thumb and your ring finger, you're going to bring them up to face the face in front of your nose. And so you'd block the right nostril with your right thumb and you exhale all of your air through the left nostril, and then you inhale through the left nostril for the count of 5. You use the ring finger of the same hand and you block the left nostril and exhale through the right, and then you inhale through the right nostril and exhale through the left. So you block the thumb to the right nostril and then you exhale through the left nostril. And so you inhale and exhale for the count of 5, both sides. And in doing this, you're actually stimulating and balancing both hemispheres of the brain. And also you're working directly with the vagus nerve, which is the largest cranial nerve in the body. So by doing this, you're pretty much just building resilience within the psycho-emotional body and also the physical body. So we cope better with stress and we're just more balanced, effective humans. So when you're ready, you're welcome to come into a cross-leg seated position. If you're pregnant, just be mindful with this pranayama. It is okay, totally okay, but everything is different for everyone. So just observing that within your body. And if you need to shorten the breath instead of 5 and make it 3, that's also okay. But other than that, there's no contraindications at all. So when you're ready, just coming into a cross-leg seated position and your left hand on your left knee. You use your right hand and you bring your thumb up next to the face, block the right nostril, and then when you're ready, just closing the eyes down. And just exhale all of your air through the left nostril completely. And on the inhale, counting to 5 through the left, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the ring finger, same hand, moves to the left nostril. Exhale through the right. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale right. 2, 3, 4, 5. Thumb blocks the right nostril, exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one round. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ring finger blocks the left, exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thumb blocks the right, exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ring finger blocks left, exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thumb blocks the right, exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5. And releasing the right hand back down to the knee and take a deep breath into the belly. And a long exhale, pausing at the end of the exhale. And drawing your chin to your chest, opening your eyes and coming back to center. So that's Nadi Shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing, and you can use that at any point throughout the day. It's really great if you can do 3 to 10 rounds before or after your practice. I prefer it after, but it's up to you. Yeah, it'll bring your practice into a more holistic, breath-focused space.